Give your vehicle's hydraulic system the ultimate protection it deserves with Cerma Ceramic Hydraulic Treatment. Our innovative STM-3 formula is specifically designed to enhance the performance of hydraulic systems by creating a micro-ceramic protective coating on all metal parts. This coating shields your vehicle's hydraulic components from the damaging effects of heat, friction, and sludge buildup, ensuring smoother operation and increased longevity. Cerma STM-3 Hydraulic Treatment offers a wide range of benefits, including reduced oil temperatures, longer-lasting oil, moisture reduction, and decreased air content in oil. With our cutting-edge technology, you can say goodbye to pump cavitation, air locking in pumps, and unstable control while operating rams. Our treatment also extends pump life, prevents seal failures, and prolongs hose life, ultimately reducing downtime and maintenance costs. In addition to improving the overall stability and performance of your hydraulic system, Cerma STM-3 absorbs moisture from the oil to prevent internal corrosion, lubricates rubber seals and O-rings to prevent drying out, and smoothens operation cycles by attaching itself to hydraulic cylinders. Our environmentally safe formula does not contain any solvents or PTFEs, making it a safe and effective choice for your vehicle. For maximum performance, we recommend using Cerma STM-3 hydraulic treatment in combination with our Cermax hydraulic oil during your next oil change. Investing in Cerma ceramic hydraulic treatment means investing in less breakdowns, less maintenance, less downtime, and less overhead costs for your hydraulic system. Choose Cerma STM-3 hydraulic treatment and experience the difference in protection and performance for your vehicle's hydraulic system. Trust Cerma to keep your hydraulic system running smoothly and efficiently for years to come.